Good morning to all the students, and now we are doing the chemistry lesson of Unit 2, Lecture 1. We are doing it now. Already yesterday and last class we already discussed about that. Whatever the components are there, different changes up to the physical change, they are already completed. Yes, the periodic change, undesirable change, desirable change. Okay, these are the things they are already completed. Now we are going with the what is the physical change and what is the characteristics of a physical change. Okay, clear or not? Yes, now that is only we are going to discuss what is the physical change. Yeah, which one is called the physical change? There is any change is a permanent change. Okay, clear or not? Any change is not a permanent change. It is one of the temporary change which is coming in the shape and the size. Okay, now yes, and the substance whatever there. Okay, yes, again it will be regained. Okay, clear or not? That is only called a physical change. The change which is a temporary, not a permanent change. It is a temporary change. Okay, clear or not, all the students? What is the change here we consider? The temporary change may consider. Okay, these are the property. And another one is it is a reversible also. We already discussed it. What is the reversible? What is the irreversible? It is a reversible also. And a new substance is formed during the change. And a new substance again converted as what? Original change. And it will be considered as what? Actually, original substance again. This is one more property, and as well as there is a no alteration in a mass. Okay, clear or not, all the students? No alteration in a mass, no mass change. Mass is remains constant only, no mass change. And the next one is the what? There is a no energy loss also. No energy loss. Okay, which change the follow this property? That is only called what? A physical change. Which change is the follows the property of temporary, reversible, new substance is converted as the original substance, no mass the changes, no energy loss. These all are considered. That is only called what? A physical change. Understood or not, all the students? I hope you got it here. Yes, there is example for this one is melting of a wax, formation of a dough, boiling of a milk, condensation of a steam, expansion of metals, drying of a wet cloths, crystallization of salt or a sugar, okay, and breaking of a glass, yes, bending of a glass tube, yes, and sublimation of iodine or a compound. Okay, clear or not? These all are called what? A physical change only. Got it or not? What is the physical changes? There is a temporary change. Means what? The change is occur. Means what? It is not a contain a original substance as like that only. But after some time again it will be get as a yes same substances. Got it or not? That is the kind of physical change. Suppose you take a burning of a wax. Okay, clear or not? Yes, a melting of a wax, a candle. You know very well. The candle, when it is a melt, after some time, again it will become as a candle or not. You know very well, there is a, when you take a one candle in a one particular container, okay, or any glass, okay, now that container is give the light a lot of days. Okay, clear or not? It will be gone totally in a one day only. You take a 10 rupees candle. Okay, now you burned it. Okay, now it will be get a lot of days or not. Okay, again you are take it is in a one particular yes glass. Yes, the wax is a melting and it will be given light energy, and after somewhat cool down, that whatever melting thing is there, it will again looking like a candle or not. Yeah, that is only the called a physical change. Understand all of you? And the steam is coming from the water. Okay, you know very well water cycle. Okay, now what is the water cycle? The ices are converted as what? A liquid, water liquid, water, and water is a convert as a vapor, and the vapor is a cool down here. Okay, now that is called a condensation. Again, it is the water. More cool down. Again, it is a get as a ice. Okay, clear or not, all the students? That is only called a physical change.
Clear, sir.
Yeah, thank you. And here there is a, when you take a water cycle, the water is okay. Water, whatever there, it is a liquid in the form in somewhere lake or a sea. In your third lesson already you have discussed it. Yes, there are not here. Yes, in your regular syllabus third lesson, what is that? Where does come rain from it? Okay, clear or not? In that lesson already discussed about water cycle. Yes, when we are heated the water, it is because of evaporation process, it is become vapor. The vapor is cooled down because of condensation process. It will become as again water. The water again cool down. It will become as ice. That is only called what? Hailstones. You know very well, hailstones. And that hailstone is coming into the environment of air. That will be what? Melting again, and they converted as a water. Understood all the students? Like that, there is a water is undergoes vapor. Vapor again cool down. It is again water. Water again become ice. Again heat. It is a water. Like the cycle is going on. This is a temporary change or not? And there is a what? Reversible or not? Reversible means you know very well. Okay, in the reverse process when we are going, same as a forward process. Okay, now the same substance may available. That is the called reverse process. Here there is a new substances are formed. The water is become as a vapor. Again, vapor is become as a water or not? Yeah, like that possibility is there. That changes are called physical changes. Already I have given so many times. You are in 6th class. Suppose any time machine may came. Okay, now yes, yeah. When we are go back again, you go for LKG and like a baby, it is a possible. It is impossible. Okay, clear or not? Yes, that is a called not temporary change. It is a permanent change. Whatever you were become as a kid to this particular 6th class fellows, like that it is a permanent change. It is not a temporary change. Got it? Or there is a seed germination also. One seed is a germinated, it is a convert as a plant. Again, it will be convert as the same seed. No, it produce the seeds. But the same single seed may not get whatever the time we are cutting that plant. Okay, na? And as well as when we are go through the roots, the same seed may get. No, it is a permanent change. Okay, clear or not? It is not a physical change. Okay, and here there is so many examples are given here. Yes, expansion of metals. You know very well, metals are expanded. Okay, by heating. When we cool down, again they become. Okay, now clear or not, all the students? Again, okay. Here, because of that only, when there is a railway tracks you observe, or otherwise whatever the poles, wires are there, electrical wires are there, they're not making it in a fit mode. They are taken a what in a somewhat a loose mode. Means what? They are not taken a straight line path, one pole to the another pole. Okay, now there is a what one pole to the another pole. They make like this. Why? In a summer session they expanded. Okay, in a winter session they contracted. Okay, clear or not? In a summer session there is a whatever these things are there, they may come like that. Okay, in a winter session they become what? Somewhat a straight. Okay, clear or not? Yes, in case we are fit it is in this manner. Okay, na? In a winter session they may become ropes. Okay, clear or not? Why? Because they become compressed. Okay, clear or not? Yes, this is only the thing we are considered for a metals purpose. When the metal is expanded, when we cool down again, okay, it will become as the same before that. When we give given heat, it will be expand. Okay, when we cool down again, it will be comes to its original position. Like that, when one substance is okay temporarily undergo the change, when we again take a reverse process, it will be comes to its original position. Okay, now it is called what? Reversible process. Okay, now and it is called a physical change. Okay, is mute yourself. Now, this is about a physical change. And next to come to here, chemical change. And one more, the last points, the last 2 points are very, very important for you. In a physical process, there is a mass is not changes. Mass is a conserved. This is only called conservation of mass law. The mass is not created by us. The mass is not destroyed by us also, but mass is changes one form to the another form. Okay, now yes, but total universe mass is remains constant. That is called what actually? Yes, that is called conservation of mass law. Okay, we not created any mass. You imagined that I am created this chalk piece, I am created this total, okay, a board and all these things. No. Okay, this is a collected from somewhere. It is a converted as a board somewhat. This is iron board. This board is taken from somewhere iron board, but it is not losses. Na? We taken from there means loss. No. We writing the now I am writing on the board. This afterwards somewhat this chalk piece may not appear. Means what it is losses totally? No, it will be converted as a small pieces. Okay, when I am rough it, it will be get in the form of a small pieces. And we collect all these small pieces, again I get the chalk piece. Got it or not? Understood or not it is? No mass is created by us, no mass is destroyed by us, but it is changes from one form to the another form. The gas may convert into the liquid, liquid may convert into gas or solid, like that it is. Okay, clear or not? And one more important, there is a sublimation of iodine or a camphor, 7th one. Example, whatever given in our textbook. You know very well camphor or otherwise the naphthalene balls. Okay, now they are not appear after some days. Okay, that is physical change or chemical change? Physical change only. Okay, clear or not? That is the converted that mass into the what gas. That's it. But it is not totally. Okay, now yes, not totally disappear. Okay, now it is just there is smell we get or not because of camphor, because of the naphthalene balls. Okay, because of iodine, you get the smell. That smell may get because of the room temperature. Means what? It utilizes energy and it is a convert into one form to the other form. The camphor is convert from solid to the gaseous form. Okay, clear or not? Yes, already we are discussed in a first lesson. Okay, now sublimation process is nothing but solid is directly convert into gases. It's called what? Sublimation process. In this process, it is a temporary only, and as well as it is a reversible only, but it is slow reaction. It is not immediately occurs. When we are taken camphor here in a one day, it will not disappear. 1 gram of camphor they taken so much time. Okay, clear or not? This is only about the yes a physical change. The physical change is nothing but which is a temporary change, which is a reversible change, which is a new substance is a converted as a original substance, and original substance again produce a new substance. Again we get a original substance after some time. That is a call. And here no mass is a changes and no energy is also okay. Yes, losses here. During the physical changes, no energy is losses. We feel that. Okay, now ice is a converted into water. Water is a converted to vapor. In this one, energy loss is there. No, it is not losses energy. Okay, clear. It is a convert one form of energy to the another form of energy. There is so many forms of energies are there. You know very well. Light energy, electrical energy, yes, mechanical energy, yes, and atomic energy, nuclear energy. Suppose now there is a current may get. Because of the getting the current, there is a loss of energy is there. Electricity is the loss is here. Okay, no. The electricity is a convert into the light energy. That's it. One energy is a convert into another energy. Okay, now no energy loss actually in the universe. Yes, understood or not? Energy is not losses. One energy is created, not created by us. Energy is not destroyed by us, but it is a changes from one form to the another form. Okay, clear or not? Yes, suppose there is a water heater. Yes, what happened? The electrical energy is a heat the heater, and that is a convert into heat energy. But no loss of energy. Loss it is. Electricity is a totally loss. Loss means what? It will not disappear. It will be totally not utilized. It is utilized or not? Yes, electricity is a convert as either light energy Suppose in our home there is a bore is working. Yes, the taps are getting a water or not. It is from the underground we collected water by using the bore. What happened here? There is a electrical energy is a converted into which form? Mechanical energy. Okay, clear or not? It will become what? A mechanical energy. Mechanical energy nothing but movement. Already we are discussed in a kinematics. Okay, clear or not? Yes, there is a movement is up here. Movement is a possible. The fan is a revolving. How? Electrical energy is a converted into mechanical energy here. Okay, it's a because of fan running the energy called loss. No. Okay, clear or not? This is all considered in a physical change. I hope you got it here. Physical change is a contain these properties. Okay, how to recognize one physical change? By any one of these properties. It is a may temporary or not. Once you check it, it is may reversible or not. Once you check it, there is a whatever new substance is formed here. Again, it will be getting as a same substance or not. Okay, clear or not? These all the things are going on. Okay, now that is a called a what? A physical change. Okay, yes. Now you get opposite to this is only called what? Chemical change. Okay, what is a chemical change? Not a temporary change, it is a permanent change. Okay, clear or not? Which change is a permanent? That is a called what? Chemical change. Okay, chemical change. Which one is a called a chemical change? Which one is a called a chemical change? A chemical change is a permanent change. It is a what the change it is? Permanent change. The change is a permanent change. And next one is the what actually? There is a whatever the original substance is there, the substance is totally converted into which substance? The original substance is converted into new substance. Original, okay, whatever the our original substance is given as new substance. Only one way process, not the two-way process. Okay, now when you take a physical change, there is you get the this type of signal you have to mention. Sorry, I'm not mentioned before that. In your notes, you mentioned there is a original substance to the new substance to the original substance is the formed. It is designated by this symbol. Please mention. Okay, but in here chemical change, there is only the original substance is the form of new substance. But again, new substance is not get as a original substance. That's why it is called what? Reversible, not it is a irreversible. This change is a what? This change is a called irreversible change. Irreversible. This change is a irreversible change. Okay, got it? Irreversible it is. Yes, please write down these are the properties of chemical change. Yeah, listen carefully, all the students. Here, this is the what actually? This is the chemical change. Which one is called a chemical change? The change is a permanent. Okay, the chemical change is a permanent change actually. Once it will be changed, again will not get the what? Okay, the substances. Okay, clear or not? Yes, that is only called a permanent change. Already we are discussed. A original substance is converted as a new substance. New substances are formed. But again, the new substances are not give the what? Original substances like our physical change. Okay, clear or not? Irreversible. There is a no reversible. Means what we are getting in a back reaction. Okay, now we wait for a reaction for a time. After some time, again we will not get the same thing. In a physical change, already we are discussed. The weather and the climate change. It will be permanent? No. Okay, already we are discussing seasons are formed. Okay, again when may get, again there is a what? Summer session may get. Again when there is October get, again the winter session may get. Okay, clear or not? After some periodic duration, after some same time, there is a what happened? There is a whatever the change occur before that, the same change again occurs. That is a physical change and is as well called reversible change. It is also called what? Reversible change. Understand all of you? Again, there is the same situation is occur or not? Every time like this only, now cold it is there. Okay, now in the November month it is a cold. November is only continued same? No. Again there is a May, we'll get the what? Summer session. Again next November, the same climate may possible. Okay, clear or not? Why? Because it is a irreversible, not it is a reversible change. Okay, now tomorrow 11:30 again the same situation may appear or not. Okay, clear or not? There is a whatever the day condition it is there now of a year, our sun. If it is not a clouds are there, the sun position is a changes. No, our earth it rotated same time, same manner only. Got it or not? For every 24 hours, there is the same thing is repeated. Okay, now clear or not, all the students? I hope you got it. There is a day and nights are formed. It will be reversible process or not? The day only continued, the night only continued, not equal durations again day and nights are formed. That is called reversible. That is a physical change. And now in reversible nothing, irreversible nothing, but this is not may occur. After some time, there is the same changes, whatever there in a forward change manner, that will be not repeated. Okay, next one is conservation of mass. Conservation of mass. Okay, now here also like a physical change, here also conservation of mass is occur. The new substances are formed, but the whatever the masses are containing before the reaction and after the reaction may same. Okay, new substance, totally new substance are formed. Suppose you have to take here, there is a whatever, suppose you have to take acids and bases, somewhat HCl is a combined with the zinc, or otherwise suppose you have to take here NaOH. It is a what? It is a acid, it is a basis we call, and they combine together, it's a formed as a NaCl and as well as the water. Suppose we take here totally, this is a become 10 grams. After the reaction, it is also become 10 grams only. The no loss is occur. Okay, clear or not? Yes, there is a, this is a called HCl, hydrofluoric acid, whatever contained in our stomach. Okay, now yes, and NaOH, what is used for a detergent purpose. These two are combined, what will we get? Salt and water. That are same are getting before the reaction. These are not equal to this now. Okay, not same, it is both are. Yes, this is may somewhat a chemistry based now. As a regularly we call. Yes, so formation of curd. Formation of curd. Okay, got it or not? Yes, before the whatever the formation of curd, how we form the curd, you know very well. You take a milk and you take a sample curd. Okay, the both are combined together, it's a formed as a curd. It is a physical change or chemical change? It is a chemical change. Okay, clear or not? Again we'll get the same milk after some time? No, it is always curd only. Then once it is become a curd, it is a curd only. Okay, clear or not? Original substance is a converted as a new substance. The milk is a converted as a curd. Okay, clear or not? Yes, again curd is a converted as a milk. No, not it is a possible. Okay, and here there it is a permanent change or not? It is a permanent. It is irreversible? No, not it is a possible. Okay, suppose you take here sample code is added to the milk now. You are taken how much sample code is added to the milk that will be taken out from it. It automatically become as a milk. Once again, I repeat it here. Suppose you take a liter milk and 1 teaspoon of sample curd. You know how to prepare curd or not? It is a big task. No, it is a simple task. You take simply the milk and heated it. Okay, now yes, and afterwards make somewhat cold it. Okay, now yes, and after 30 minutes or 15 minutes, you have to add the somewhat a sample curd. Okay, clear or not? That is become what? Curd after 5 to 6 hours. Okay, clear or not? The curd again, you are take a what actually somewhat a sample curd what you had added to 1 spoon you added now. You take 1 spoon from that whatever curd is found and wait for a 5 to 6 hours. You get a milk? No. Okay, clear. The new substance whatever formed again it will be not formed as a old substance. That is why it is called a chemical change. And if possible you wait it. Okay, now you take a 1 liter milk now. Okay, it will contain somewhat 990 grams. Okay, clear or not? And you add 10 grams of now sample curd. It become 1 kg or not? And as well as the curd is also 1 kg or greater than the 1 kg. Yeah, exactly. It is a 1 kg only get for us. That is only called conservation of mass. Okay, now clear or not? Conservation of mass means what? When the new substances are formed, when the physical changes are got. Okay, clear or not? Your mass is not changes. Mass is not changes. Okay, clear or not? There is a what? New substances are formed, but it will be converted one form of substance to the another form of substance. They formed as a new material. That's it. Got it or not? They formed as a new material only, but there is a no new mass is a formed. Okay, in a chemical changes, there is a no new mass is a formed. That is only called the conservation of mass. Here we not destroy the milk. We not destroy the sample curd in the formation of curd. Okay, now, but new thing curd is a form. Okay, it is not a milk. It is a totally different from milk. In this total process, there is a no loss of milk. There is a no loss of sample curd. Got it? Or? This is only about our chemical changes. In the chemical changes, energies are changes. Okay, energy may now yes came out from the chemical reaction. Suppose the photosynthesis reaction, you know very well, I thought it is. In your 5th class also, you have somewhat information. Okay, now, by using the sunlight, our plants are prepared the food. Okay, clear or not? If you want to take a sunlight from it, again they become as a plant. Before that, whatever the plant situation is there, like that. No. Okay, it absorbs the energy. Means what? Sun losses energy. When the plant is absorbed, sun losses its energy. No, it is a converted as a what? Another energy. Okay, clear or not? Yes, there is a no loss in the energy. Sometimes energy is a produced. Because of chemical change, energy is a came out. Yes, the best example. The respiration. Once check your now only in your classroom only, you are taken a gas inside our body. Okay, clear or not? Yes, we are again respirated and will send out the carbon dioxide from one nozzle. You are taken oxygen from one nozzle and you are send out carbon dioxide from one nozzle of our nose. 1 second, make like this. What happened? There is a hot gas may get. Okay, when you take it is inside somewhat a gas. When will come out the gas in the form of a hot nature. Okay, now clear or not? The heat may get out from your body. Okay, that is the energy actually. There is a what happened? You are respirated. How the carbon dioxide is formed in your body, you know. Okay, now yes, you are taken oxygen gas inside of your lungs. Okay, now yes, and you taken somewhat of food. Now the food is a contain carbon. The carbon is a combined with oxygen. Whatever you are taken inside, that will be combined. Carbon is a combined with oxygen. It formed as a what? Carbon dioxide. Clear or not? Here, whatever food material contain carbon, that is a combined with oxygen. Actually, it is a burning in our body, but our food burning because of oxygen. Okay, that will be produced what? Carbon dioxide. that gas is getting what? Heat nature. Means what? Again, it will be produce the heat energy. Okay, now excess amount of heat is there in our body or not? Yes, during the burning of food, that heat energy is come out. Okay, in this process, the energy losses, no losses. Okay, now that is only called about a conservation of energy. In some reactions, the energy may taken. Okay, clear or not? In the presence of energy only, it will be occurs. Okay, clear or not? Yes, otherwise it may not possible. Okay, yes, the formation of new substance is possible because of energy observation only. Sometimes energy emitted. In this process, energy emitted. Okay, now heat energy is emitted. That equation, that otherwise the change is called exothermic energy. Excess amount of heat energy may emitted out. It is called exothermic reaction. What it is? Exothermic reaction means what? Exothermic means what? Energy, heat energy emitted because of change. Because of any change, the heat energy may emitted. That is called what? Exothermic reaction. In case there is a endothermic, exo, you keep in your mind, excess is become out or not. That is only called exothermic reaction. Endothermic reaction. Which one is called endothermic reaction? Which is absorb the amount of heat. Which is absorb the amount of heat. That is called endothermic reaction. Got it or not? Okay. Milk, heat of the milk. It will be absorbed the amount of heat or not. That is called endothermic. Okay, clear or not? Yes. And suppose we are heated the water, after some time, some amount of energy is emitted. Okay, clear or not? That is called what? Exothermic energy. Heat is produced. When you are take your hand in front of heating, water heating. Okay, you feel somewhat hot or not? Means what? Some amount of heat energy is emitted out or not? That is called exothermic. Actually, water heating is not a chemical change. It is a physical change only. For understanding purpose, I am given this. Any change is produced the heat. That is called exothermic. It is absorbed the heat, endothermic. Sometimes there is a physical change and a chemical change. Same time, in a same change only appear. Okay, clear or not? Same change only, it is a possible. Okay, clear or not? Yes, that is rarely appeared. Okay, now yes, the physical change, chemical change, both are combined together may get for us. Rusting of iron, the color is also changes. Okay, now yes, and as well as the new substance is also formed. Okay, now yes, that is called physical and chemical change. Both are appearing. Rusting of iron. Okay, now what is the physical properties of substances? Color, taste, okay, mass. These are physical properties. These are changes. It is called physical change only. But there is a new substances are formed. Irreversible things are there. Permanent substances are get for us. Okay, now that is called chemical change. Sometimes the both are also appear. Okay, now there is a one somewhat examples are there for a chemical change in our textbook. Once check it. Burning of LPG. Burning of LPG. What happened? Liquid petroleum gas. LPG means what? Liquid petroleum gas. When it is a burn, again will we get LPG. Okay, now yes. Suppose your mom is cooking. Okay, now LPG by using LPG gas only. Okay, we are using LPG gas in that. Okay, now yes, and your cooking is completed. After some time again it will be filled the LPG gas. When we cool down the total stove and everything, the gas again it filled in that gas. No. Okay, now that is why it is called what a chemical change. Refining of fruits. One fruit, one whatever the okay now yes raw fruits are there that become what refined. Okay, now clear or not? Yes, the guava is there on a where on a tree. Okay, it is now in a raw fruit manner. Afterwards, it will be converted into yes refine. Refine nothing but pandu avadam. Kaya pandai poi. Yes, again there is again will get the raw material. No. Okay, mango is a what a raw it is at that time. But what is the color? Green. When it will become refined, it will become yellow. Again, yellow become green after some days. Okay, not a possible, na? That is called a chemical change. Yes, a clotting of a blood. Once the blood is clotted, again will it will become as a blood. It is impossible thing. Okay, that is it is a possible. The no man is made dead because of accidents. Okay, clear or not? Okay, again there is a whatever the blood will be injected, it is that will be whatever the clotted is a may it will be okay na get again a life. It is not a possible clotting of blood. As cooking foods, okay, as whatever the rice it will be prepared by you, again it will be get as a okay na yes raw rice. Okay na after it will become as a cooking rice, it will become as a raw rice. Yeah, once you are prepared one curry. Okay, again will we get a vegetables from that curry when we go in a reverse order. Okay, na it is impossible, na. When we added somewhat more salt, it will be not correctable thing. Okay, clear or not? Yes, that is only yes digestion of food. It is also chemical change only. Once a food digestion, again it will be get as a food. It is impossible. Okay, clear or not? Yes, and the making of a wine. Yes, butter turning into rancid as yes, a decaying of organic matters. Okay, clear or not? Yes, organic matter decaying. Okay, now whatever the plant is, the seeds are converted as a plant. Again, the plant is converted as a tree. Tree is again become as a seed, small seed. It is impossible. Okay, clear or not? Electrolysis of water till now may not get. When we are produce the electricity to the water is dividing as a hydrogen and oxygen gases. Okay, now again we'll not get hydrogen and oxygen gas combined together as a water. What after electrolysis? Okay, clear or not? Yes, hydrogen and oxygen get as a water, but when the electrolysis made, it is again will not get as a water. Okay, clear or not? Yes, that is only the chemical change. These are about the chemical change and as well as the physical changes. And tomorrow we're going to discuss about the questions on this particular topic. Okay, now yes, thank you one and all.